Hi guys, it's Suzi from the library. I'm going to show you how to make this cute little bless you jar. You can put tissues in it, looks really cute. Yeah, let's go. So you're going to need a jar, a box of tissues. It works better with the round box. This is the only one I could find, so we'll just make do. You'll need paint and a paintbrush. So you're going to want to start by taking off your jar's lid and having something to put your wet paint on in your project. Turn your jar upside down, get some paint, and then you have to paint it. So it's going to look streaky at first because you're going to have to let it dry and then do a few coats so it'll be evenly covered. And make sure to do all the way around here too so you don't have any white and clear spots poking through. When it's dry, it will look like this. So next I'm going to add some of this. I got it at Walmart. It makes it nice and shiny. So I let mine dry overnight because it was pretty tacky still. So now it's all ready to go. I'm going to put the words on. So here it is with the words on. If you're like me and you can't freehand, I used a Cricut to make my vinyl letters. Yeah, and now we have to put the tissues in. Sorry, I accidentally deleted the part where I got the tissues in there. But if you are using a square box, you'll want to take maybe a little bit less than half and roll it tight. You have to put it in and then turn it, and eventually you'll get it so it'll start to come out. You might rip a few, but that's why I buy the round box. Try to get it, not the square box. And once you have successfully wiggled it around so you could get your tissues to come out properly, you can either put the cap on and have it like that, or you can draw a circle with cardstock, and then we'll put a cross through it. Not all the way, we want to leave around the edge. And then we'll put it underneath that so it has like a nice little thing to come out of. So when you are all done, it will look like this. I 110% recommend you get the round box of tissues. This one does not work. I keep ripping my tissues. But it looks cute. And then you can go and give your tissues to someone that you love. Love you!